everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna be doing a vlog. This is a few days after I started recording this video, but I totally forgot to make an intro, so we are right here right now. We are going to be doing a brand new studio, a brand new makeup room for myself. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below what you think about this video, and let's dive into it. So this is the state of my studio right now. It is a super messy. I just recorded a couple of videos today and you probably already saw this video right here with this beautiful faja. Yes, I love it. I recorded today, so that's why it's right there. I'm gonna start wearing it from tomorrow and on. But this is my studio, very messy, very disorganized, and I'm gonna put a finish, an ending to that situation by doing this transformation. I'm using my main camera right now to record, so that's why it's looking this way, and that's why my camera is not there. But this is my backdrop right now, one of my lights, and here is the little closet that this room has. So there we go. Very messy right now, but all of this is gonna get organized. And my idea is to take this bike out of this room. It's going to be in my living room, for not only me but everybody else in the house to use it. And I'm gonna cover this window with the new furniture that I'm gonna be building for my makeup. This little guy right here, I might move it to that other corner over there. Let's see, I might move it in the middle of this room. In this corner, I'm gonna have a mirror to record my try-on hauls. And yeah, I need to clean up this before I can bring the actual furniture to this area. The one that I'm showing you that I just got from IKEA. And it's gonna go in that area right there. My table from this position is going to be turned to the other way like this. So my camera is gonna be here and my background is gonna be towards that way. This is going to go, so if somebody's watching and they want this, I will send it to you. So let me know, including the one in the back that is like marble. So this is the before, very messy, and I will start showing you the process of the after, basically. So these hangers are from Amazon. They come like 100 of them for like 50 bucks. So they are very good price. And I really like them. They are very good quality. So I'm going to be hanging everything that is around clothing, whatever, in those hangers. And put it obviously inside the closet. So let's start working in all of this. Let's see if I can get you a better angle. So again, this is the closet. A lot of pieces here that I haven't tried haul for you yet, but those are the shoes. And I remember somebody talking about those specific shoes, I think. So hit me up on my Instagram at Heidi8 Galvan, and I will definitely send it to you. I have no issues with that. That's my Dyson, which I love. And these are just some books that don't belong here. This one I need to get rid of it too because it's not that good, so I'm gonna buy something different. And here are some James Charles palette that I'm going to be giving away in my channel, probably on my Spanish channel, and some Jeffree Star brushes. So yeah, that's some of the clothing that I'm gonna be holding soon, and some of these too. And I already did this part here, so let's just finish organizing all of this from Nordstrom that I'm going to be showing you very soon. That's some clothing that I'm looking how the quality it is for me to probably maybe sell it, or you know, do a little business on the side. That's some Gucci products over there that I'm gonna be unboxing soon. So let's start organizing this. Wow, I found a really nice place actually. This is kind of like super high. Yeah. So let's start. Remember this? Oh my god, this was one of my first videos. That was so good. Over a year, my friends, over a year. This is coming in a future video very soon. I'm so excited to unbox this very soon here with you. I am going to end this part right here. It's very hot in this room. I'm gonna end this part right here, but that's the progress. I'm basically opening a space for the furniture that is gonna go in there. So yeah, that's basically what I'm doing, getting a space. I'm gonna take this now and move these boxes on the side. These little things here should be fine there. This I think is my mom's, so I need to look what is in here. This is something for bouncing the sound, which I might end up putting here. I don't know. So yeah, these hangers I'm gonna take it with me to my room. This is gonna go to the garage. That's just like a big luggage. Those are some shoes, some makeup. And these things I need to try them and make sure that they are okay for me. And this is the closet. I haven't finished obviously, but this is the progress. So this is probably gonna keep going tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. progress with the cabinets. I'm still working on it, so let me show you what I'm doing. This is going to be maybe 1 or 2 videos, I don't know. Let's see how long is this one. So here we are doing my setting mix, my foundations and my palettes. I'm just putting it in this basket, which is going to be part of my new setting for my makeup. This is a few days later. This is how my makeup room, my studio is looking like right now. I haven't obviously finished. It is a work in progress situation. At least the furniture is already right there, ready for me to start adding all the makeup on it and a few pieces of decoration in the top. So this is what we have. I'm gonna continue this vlogging in another video because I noticed it's already a little bit long. That mirror didn't fit in that area, so I'm debating if I'm gonna add a different mirror there. I'm gonna have to get another one. I'm not sure right now. So this is the current situation. Guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for the following one. I love you very, very much. Bye.